Hello everybody, it's Mindy and I'm going to show you a few things I have from Your Best Deals. I have some cute things here and I actually have a full drill painting today and off canvas item. So we got some good stuff to show you. I just thought I'd show you this guy first, real cute. He's so cute. Real quick, look at him. Isn't he cute? What is it? Is it a fox? Is it a white fox? Is it a, I don't know. It's super cute though. I loved all this headdress stuff here on his head. There is like jewels and stuff, and he's just surrounded by flowers and whatnot. He's so pretty. Can hardly wait to show you all the special drills on this one. So let's get to it. If you're new here, welcome. I hope you enjoy. And for everybody who's returning, welcome back. Let's get to it and let's show you what we have. Alrighty, here he is. Let's show you up close and all the details about how cute he is. 30 by 30 size. That'll probably be like 24 by 24 centimeters. But look at all of these special drills up here. And then in these leaves and all of this down around the bottom is all special drills. Super, super cute. He's got all of this like armor or jewelry or, you know, something on. It's going to be so pretty. Looking at the picture on the website of this, it just turns out super, super nice. It's only got 7 different drills, but let's look at them. There's some really pretty ones in here. So let me show you what we have. I don't know if you'll see this before or after Smashing the Specials. We're kind of getting towards the end of the month here. We're in week 4. So you might not see this until afterwards, but I might work on it for Smashing the Specials. Who knows? You never know what I'm up to. All right, here are our drills. So we have a beautiful white AB. This is faceted, not the pearl ones. These are actually faceted. We have some clear rhinestones, some green, and then another shade of green. So there's 2 greens. And we have these beautiful faceted marquee shaped drills. Those are so pretty. Then we have some big blue pearls, and we have a whole bunch of these iridescent teardrops. Those are going to be so pretty. So I can already tell those are going to go in here. The big green ones will be those leaves. It's just going to be super, super pretty. I love it. I think he's adorable. All right. What do we have next? What's next, you ask? Well, we have that full drill I was talking about. There's the one full drill I got this time. And the colors just like screamed out at me and I was like, okay, let's get this one. All right, let's look really close right here in this little section. Can we read all of these symbols? B and G. G, B, R. Yeah, everything looks good and clear, doesn't it? Except for the glare. I know glare is terrible, but it looks really good. I loved it. The bright, bright colors. There's 18 colors on that one. I like the smaller size. I'm loving the little 30 by 30s. And here are our drills. You want to see them all? Gray, green, a pink, off-white, rusty orange, another orange, some more creamy colors, pretty, pretty teal, a dark green, a light pink, a dark pink. There's another teal color in there. And then this pretty purple here. Beautiful colors, all pre-bagged, in order. No, they're not. Yeah, maybe they are. Okay. Anyhow, I really liked it with the dragonfly and stuff. I just thought it was pretty. So that's our full drill selection for the day. What do you think? I think it's gorgeous. I think it's gorgeous. Hold it so it doesn't glare. All right. Now, this is my most recent obsession. I mean, it's not a new obsession. It's an obsession I've had for a while. It's just been renewed. Because there's a whole new crop of owls out there. And I love owls. I love everything about these. They're so pretty. Look, he's got all these hearts on his belly. A bunch of hearts on his belly. Those hearts up there. We have some special drills for those flowers. Should be super cute, right? Yeah. All right, let's look at the drills. There are 11 for this one. And let's see what they are. Make sure we got the right number here. 023. Yep. You can always check on these. They usually will have the number of the kit right here. Check that with the legend at the top. Make sure they match up. So we have clear. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Love, love that color. I can't even tell you how pretty that is. It's not coming through the camera. And these are super shiny. Sometimes they look a little dull, like they put something in there and they dull the rhinestones a little bit, but these are super shiny. There's a brown and an orange and a pink and a green. And look we have flowers. I love it when we get flowers. I love the flowers. What letter is that? 7. Where'd the flowers go? Where do the flowers go? They are an A. Oh, in the centers of the big flowers. Beautiful. Love it. Oh, we have some blue shards. Those are gorgeous. Pretty pink teardrops. These are cool. These are iridescent. They're looking blue and purple and some pink in there. Then a whole big bag of those pink hearts. That's going to be really nice, isn't it? Yep. I've done a few owls already for smashing the specials. And I have a few more in queue if I get to them. But we'll see. All right. Now I got these two mixed up. Let's see. Drills. C546. Okay, that goes with that one. All right. This one was just unique. I don't know what it's supposed to be, just a bell, but it's got all these beautiful gems dangling off. I thought it was just cool. Just a light, maybe. I don't know what it's supposed to be exactly, but it was super pretty. It's only got 5 different drills for it, but we got a bunch of 3s and 5s and 4s are a larger drill too. I think there's only going to be a couple rhinestones and the rest are going to be special. Let's see. Let's check it out and see what they are. There was a few like that in that same kind of theme. You know, very similar, little different. All right. Yeah, we've got 2 rhinestones. Okay, so it's a great big, like, a very light gold color. Pretty. And then we have, oh, those are very dusty looking. See the difference? I don't know. Those are just a clear. I thought at first they were going to be the iridescents, but they're really not. All right. Then we have these gold faceted round ones. Bunch of little. They're not really pearls. They're just white. A larger white. And then some pretty fiery orangey red marquees. Love those. All right. So that's what we have. All right. So it's all going to be very gold. It's gold and orange. All right. Next. This guy, oh my gosh, this guy, he got me. Okay, he got me. What is it? A cat? Is it a cat? A cat with weird ears? Is it an owl? What is it? I don't even know what it is. It's just super pretty. I loved all these colors in here, these purples and teals and the scalloping here and just these wisps. It's so pretty. Look at those ears though. What is this? It's a cat, right? It's a cat. It's got whiskers. It's interesting. There's 7 drills that go with that one. I think it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of fun to do. All this fun stuff up here. All these special drills throughout there. It's going to be a lot of fun. And the colors are gorgeous. I can hardly wait to see the colors that come with this. There are 7 different ones. Let's see. If I can get them open, I'll show them to you. Sometimes these bags like to fight you. All right. Here we go. What do we have? What do we have? Is this the first bag? This is. Okay. So we have not 1, but 2 large stuffed bags of the clear rhinestones. So I'm certain that's going to be all of these white wispies and the ears and the fluff and the, all that stuff. And then we have 2 purples. There's a darker and a lighter one. And there's a lot of them. And look at this beauty right here. I think that's the same drill we just had in the last one. Picking up the blues and the purples and the pinks. And we have some pink faceted round ones. Oh, and we have some of my favorites, the little snowflakey ones. Those are so pretty. And these are pearls, white pearls. So that's our colors. Clear, purple, pink. I love it. Love it. Okay. Alrighty, there's that guy. Isn't he cute? Isn't he just cute? Love it. All right. And then we have one off canvas item that comes in a box. Love things that come in boxes. So let's see what it is. Oh, I remember. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, so here's your toolkit. And one of these comes with every painting. We get an easel with this one. Look at that. So your project will sit up in this easel when you're done. I love that. When I saw that was in here, I was like, that is pretty cool. So this is what it is. It's on acrylic, okay? And this is what I need some special drills for. I talked about this in a live one night when I had Kara and Brandy on. And Kara had just done one of these, and Brandy was working on one. And I said, I have one. And I want to put like some special drills around the outside, like some sparklers, maybe something metallic to make this actually look, make it look like a gold or bronze type of a frame around the outside edge. There's two colors around the outside, and then there's two colors in here. We'll see what those are. I'm going to check out what these are, but I might replace the outside. But I had to have this. It's so pretty, right? Just a jar of sunflowers. Love it. Okay, let's look at the drills. And then I'm going to check out my stash and see if I have something I can replace on the outside of the frame and make it very metallic. Let's see what they gave us, though. All right, let's see. Let's look at rhinestones first. All right, here's our rhinestones. We have a clear, a kind of a brown, light pale yellow, a darker yellow, a green. I don't know what that is. An orange, kind of a browny orange, some black, green, blue, and a dark blue. It does have hues of blue to it. It looks kind of just gray, but it's kind of blue. So those are our rhinestones. All right, now here's the stuff we got to work with for, our special stuff. We have pearl teardrops. And do those go? Yep. Okay, so the pearl teardrops go here. That's 14. They go there. And 15 is the gold balls. So if we did this around the inner border, and then I did do something with golds around the outer border, I think that would be great. Because right now it's slated to be 5. Where's number 5? Come on, where is number 5? This yellow. And number 4, which is also a yellow, that pale yellow greenish color. That's almost a green. Yeah, I want to jazz up that outside. That's what I'm going to do. And then the only other drill we have are the yellow shards, and that is for the petals on the sunflower. So, yep, that's my plan. That's my plan for this guy. I think these will be fine since that is gold and white. And then I can do something different around the outer edge. I got to go hunt in my stash, and maybe I need to go buy something. I don't know. We will find out, right? We'll find out. Okay. Anyhow, that's what I have today to show you from Your Best Deals. What do you think? What do you think? What do you like? Have you done one of these? I think they're pretty cool. I can hardly wait to do that one. I don't think it'll take that long even. So I'm going to start working on that one pretty quickly, as long as I have some replacement drills for that outer border. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you come back later and see more things. Hit that like button and subscribe and hang out with us for a while. We do lots of fun things here. All right? I will talk to everybody soon. Bye, you guys.